Today, I'll be showing you some of the things that I have so far that I want to get for when I get into my new house. I don't know when it'll be, but I'm preparing a bit. But this is part one. And also, I know you guys probably don't care about it. So, yeah, but also this is really good for, inspiration-ish. You know what I mean? So, I want to go for um, a, aesthetic theme. And, you know? So, firstly, I want a desk. So this is pretty cool. It has a little drawer at the front. Comes with the charging port, and also you can press it to go up, go high, or lower. These are drawers next to it, and inside the drawers will have these organizers. And then on top of the desk, I want this little light thing. Shows you the day, what time it is, temperature in the room, and some other cool stuff. Also, on the desk, I also want this. The iPad stand, so I can stand my iPad. And oh yeah, this is so cool. I found it from Amazon now. So it's like a little mini desk vacuum. And it works so well apparently. Okay, now what I want to organize is I want these notes, study notings, and some sticky notes. I've wanted this for ages but couldn't find it. Or razor pencil thing. It's still like a lead. It's actually a razor. And then obviously we have a normal razor. Some paper clips. Some bolt back clips. These are really cute. Some heart paper clips. Tape dispenser. These little cute cloud cutters. And this is really cool. You're probably thinking, what is this? But it's so you spray on your device technology and then you just wipe it with it. It's pretty cool. Yeah, that's what I have so far on my desk. I haven't finished finding more things. I'm gonna still do it, but maybe this part one. Yeah, normal decorations. I want to get this little cute skincare thing. Oh, I definitely need this. Some of the cute candles. Oh, pink too. These are ones where you touch it and it turns on. I don't know, I can't remember if you have to, there's a remote to change color. Where you can tap it. For this was very key and aesthetic too. Obviously, I want a handy chair. And have a nice pillow and fluffy blanket. And then also have steamy. You go and push it and just go there. And relax. And then this is really cute personally. It's a little LED sign. It's really cheap too. It's $19. And this little thing where you put your scrunchies on. Anyways, that's all I have for now. I'm gonna go find some more. Anyways, bye.